Will artificial intelligence take away all the jobs? Technology's rapid progress has led to concerns about AI's impact on employment opportunities. As AI continues to evolve and demonstrate impressive capabilities, many wonder if it will eventually replace human workers entirely. Now, we will delve into the inquiry. Will AI replace human workers entirely? Although there are legitimate apprehensions, it is crucial to adopt a nuanced perspective and let's explore the advantageous aspects, obstacles, and prospects that AI brings to the realm of employment. The rise of artificial intelligence. What is artificial intelligence? AI pertains to computer systems that possess the ability to accomplish tasks typically requiring human intelligence. AI's impact on jobs. The increasing prevalence of AI technology has naturally led to concerns about its impact on employment. Will AI completely replace human workers? Let's delve into this question while considering the consequences, advantages, and challenges associated with the integration of AI into the workforce. The potential consequences of AI on jobs. 1. Job automation and elimination. AI's ability to carry out repetitive and mundane tasks surpasses human efficiency. This automation could lead to job displacement, particularly in sectors where tasks are highly standardized and predictable. 2. Shifts in job roles and skills. AI can lead to the creation of new job roles. Human workers are liberated to concentrate on more elevated responsibilities demanding critical thinking, creativity, and emotional intelligence. 3. Increased productivity and efficiency. By automating repetitive tasks, businesses can allocate their human resources more strategically. This redistribution of labor can result in streamlined processes, reduced errors, and increased output. The advantages of AI in the workforce. 1. Enhanced accuracy and precision. AI systems are designed to process vast amounts of data quickly and accurately, leading to improved precision in various tasks. 2. Improved workplace safety. AI-powered robots and machines can perform hazardous tasks, ensuring the safety of human workers. 3. Personalization and customer experience. AI algorithms enable personalized experiences by analyzing user data and preferences. The challenges of AI integration. 1. Ethical considerations. As AI becomes more sophisticated and autonomous, ethical concerns arise. Striking a balance between innovation and safeguarding human rights is crucial as AI continues to evolve. 2. Job displacement. Retraining and upskilling programs will be essential to help workers adapt to the changing job market and acquire new skills. 3. Economic disruption. Sectors that rely heavily on manual labor may experience significant job losses, and income inequality may widen if the benefits of AI are not distributed equitably. Conclusion. AI's impact on employment is complex. While it may eliminate some jobs, it can also lead to the creation of new job roles. Careful regulation and responsible development are crucial as AI continues to evolve.